Well, good afternoon everyone, it's Dave and Tina. It's Friday the 26th and we're just going to go down to Na Jomtien because we heard there's some people showing and flying some birds on the beach, so this could be interesting. And just in case anybody can see my swollen eye, I haven't been in a fight. I've got a sty or something, so that's the truth. Well, this is Brook 1 road, leading down to 2nd road. We're only a few minutes from Na Jomtien. Right, this little stretch here is still Brook 1 leading down to the beach. And Jomtien Beach goes to the left and the right of this turning, but we'll be turning left, and it goes into Na Jomtien. I never could understand if this is an unwritten rule in Thailand, but people seem to be able to turn left at the set of traffic lights if they're on red. Well, there's still plenty of people around, mainly Thais. I have seen a few tourists lately, but still not in the numbers that we've been accustomed to. Now they're still extending the beach. I don't know if you can see now on the right hand side, a few hundred yards in front of us. They've done quite a lot of the beach up to here. I don't know exactly how far they're going, but they seem to have done a good job of it. I just hope when it's finished they widen the road a little bit. On the weekends it gets very busy up here. Now this is Na Jomtien now, or where it starts. Right, I'll just park up by here somewhere. Well, this is the part of the beach they extended. Seems to have done a pretty good job of it. As you can see down the far end, what it was like originally. You couldn't sit anywhere along here, and on the weekends the beach vendors come down here, so it's really hard to find the parking space. So that's a macaw. more people here, and maybe you can see them fly.
Hãy subscribe cho kênh Ghiền Mì Gõ để không bỏ lỡ